Hello everyone. In this video we have this nice radical equation. Square root of 3x plus 5 minus square root of x plus 5 is equal to positive 1. And we have to find the value of x. But before we begin, if you are new here, please consider subscribed and also like this video. Now let's get started. First of all, I'll copy this to the right. So we have square root of 3x plus 4 is equal to 1 plus square root of x plus 5. Right. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to square each side of the equation. So we have here also squared. Right. So that this one will cancel this straight away. So we have 3x plus 4 is equal to 1 squared is the same as 1. Then 1 times square root of x plus 5 is square root of x plus 5 times these two. We have 2 into square root of x plus 5. Right. Then plus square root of x plus 5 squared is x plus 5. Right. So I'll copy the terms without square root to the left. So we have 3x plus 4. 1 plus 5 is 6. So we have negative 6 over here. Then minus this x, and it is equal to 2 into square root of x plus 5. Just like that. Right. So 3x minus x is the same as 2x. Then positive 4 minus 6 is minus 2. And this is equal to 2 into square root of x plus 5. Right. So as you can see, we have 2 here, and then 2 here as well. So this means that I can divide each side of the equation by 2. So we have this one by 2, this one by 2, and then the whole of this by 2. So that we have x minus 1 is equal to square root of x plus 5. Right. So to eliminate this square root, I need to square each side again. So I will square this so that x squared is the same as x squared, and then x times negative 1 is negative x, times 2 is negative 2x, then negative 1 squared is positive 1, and this is equal to this square would cancel this square root, so we have x plus 5. Right, so I'm going to move all these to the left hand side and then equate to 0. So we have x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. Then we have x squared minus 2x minus x is the same as minus 3x. Then 1 minus 5 is minus 4, and this is equal to 0. Now don't forget that I can write this equation as x squared plus x minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. Right. So we have x squared plus x into bracket just like this, then plus minus 4x minus 4 into brackets just like that. Right. Since we have x here and then x here, I'll factor x out. Then we have x plus 1. Then here we have negative 4 here and then negative 4 here as well. So I'll factor negative 4 out. Then we are left with x plus 1. Right, and this is equal to 0. So this means that I can write x plus 1 as one of the factors, then x minus 4 as the other factor, and this is equal to 0. So this statement means that it is either x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So here I can write x is equal to negative 1 or x is equal to positive 4. Now let's test and see which of the two answers satisfy the equation. When I substitute x is equal to negative 1, we have square root of 3 into negative 1 plus 4 minus square root of negative 1 plus 5. So we have 3 times negative 1 is the same as negative 3, then plus 4 is 1. Then we have minus square root of negative 1 plus 5 is 4. And this gives me 1 is never equal to 1. Right, so this means that the value of x is equal to 4. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again in the next video.